In this video, I want to address a common misunderstanding. So this course is about event marketing.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
But many people who are event planners and they have events like birthday parties or weddings or similar things that they need to plan, and they are planners and they're trying to get hired as planners to plan other people's events. This can also be event agencies or event freelancers or event consultants, things like this. So it seems like what you need is event marketing, and that's maybe why you're in this course. But actually, you are in the category of local service or local business. And there are different ways to promote those businesses. So I'll explain to you what the marketing is for this kind of situations. When people need this, because it's a necessary service, like for example, if I was looking to hire an event planner to help me plan my wedding or my birthday party or some kind of another event, what would I do? I would ask my friends for recommendations. If they recommended somebody great, that's it. I'm done. There's nothing we can do. But if there's nothing that they suggested that met my needs, what do? I go to Google and I search. And I also search local listing sites like Yelp. You'll ask me, well, what about social media? How do I promote myself on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook? Well, it's actually secondary priority because the shopping pattern is one that we just identified, which is people searching this when they need it. So let's take a look at what local searches like this look like. I just searched for an event planner. Now let's see how Google interprets this. The first 4 results are ads. This is something you can run ads on Google. You don't have to, it's purely optional. What I'm actually concerned with is what happens when we scroll down. You see, Google interprets this as a local search, meaning local businesses come up in this Google map. It's free and you can sign up for this in google.com/business. You can add your location. Even if your location is your home address, you don't necessarily have to show your home address, but at least you need to put somewhere on the map for Google to show you in local search results. And this is the first organic free result that comes up. So if you are a local event planner or event planner of some sort, you've got to register yourself on the map. It's free. Again, google.com/business. They take you through all the steps there. Then, of course, you have sites like Yelp. You see local directories. That's just because Yelp and Indeed.com, these sites are popular in my area. In your case, when you make that search, let's say you are in a different country, the sites that will come up, maybe Yelp will not come up for you, but another local listing site comes up for you. So you have to make sure that you add yourself to that site or to Yelp and have a good business listing. What do I mean by good business listing? You have to get client reviews and you have to use a descriptive good name with keywords. Same with Yelp. You'll see that if I click it, the first one is an ad, but then the second one you see good reviews, good reviews, good reviews. So reviews matter. Then you would go through the rest of these sites and you would see, can I add my business to any of these? If you can, add it. If you cannot, don't worry about it. And what you have to do is have your own website that will eventually rank for keywords. For example, like if I am in New York, this map shows Manhattan, then my website or your website should try to rank for keywords like event planner in New York, wedding planner in New York, kids party planner in New York, or whatever types of events you plan. Those are exactly the keywords. And if you rank here, you can have multiple listings of your business show up. You can have one in the ads, you can have one in the map, you can have one inside Yelp, one inside Indeed. Your own website can rank also. So you can have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 listings in the top 10 of your business. And wherever people click in the search results, they'll find you. So this is really the number one way to promote your business. Why? Because when people are searching for event planners, they know they're looking to hire, they're looking to pay, and they're looking to hire now. They're searching now. They're very, very, very good leads. As opposed to on social media, you have no idea how good of a leads they are, if they need you now, if they need you later. We don't know. We know on Google because when people type something into Google, the person who's typing, they tell us what they want and when they want it, and it makes that lead really strong, and your job is to just capture that lead. And mind you, this is also almost a fully automated strategy, because when people find you, you don't have to do continuous marketing. Whereas if you had to do outreach or something like that, it's very time consuming. So this kind of saves you from that as well. So if you're an event planner that wants to get hired, this is what you need to be doing. And additionally, look into topics like local business marketing, local service marketing, local SEO. Those are really great topics for your situation.